Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word threnody. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is threnody. Let's break it down. First, we have thren, which sounds like thren in threnody, with a soft th sound like in think. Next is which sounds like the u in cup. Finally, d, which sounds like d in deep. Now, let's put it all together. Threnody. Try repeating after me, threnody. Now a little faster, threnody. And at full speed, threnody. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Threnody refers to a song or poem of mourning, especially one that expresses grief for the dead. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce threnody and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.